Workers at Hyundai are suddenly afraid of robots taking their jobs, and it might have something to do with this.
Hyundai unveiled their Atlas humanoid robot at CES, calling it the Ferrari version of a humanoid. Standing at 6'2" with 360-degree mobility, Atlas can perform tasks differently than humans.
Yep, that'll do it. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening in real time.
This is Atlas's first time in public, and as you can see, its walk is pretty natural and pretty smooth.
And yet we continue to hear that AI and robots won't replace humans. I can't help but wonder if that's what the horses were telling each other when the Model T first came out. Don't worry, Wilbur. The buggy isn't going anywhere. You're right, Charlie. I'm probably just being paranoid. They'll always need us. Or not. There were around 27 million horses in the US when cars came out, and there were only about 3 million left by 1960. I'm sure that's unrelated. Let's get back to the robots.
I think we've done something really special. We've also been at this robotics thing for a while.
Did you see the way it spins? People can't do that.
And when it fails, it gets notified.
It can continue to get better and better over time based on what it learned from what we told it.
Stop and think about that for a second. It fails, it gets notified, it learns and improves. No drama, no emotions, no hurt feelings, and no HR departments. If you don't think every employer wants that, well, just remember everyone really liked their horses too.
Atlas can lift 110 pounds and can lift 66 pounds continuously. It can work in extreme conditions from -4 degrees to 104.
Humans can't do that either, and apparently this thing is water resistant too.
Atlas is designed to be deployed in factories soon and can work coherently alongside people.
Imagine showing up for your 8-hour shift and this is your new coworker. I mean, you see what's coming, don't you? But hey, these are just factory jobs, right? Right?
Boston Dynamics says even though this robot is built for industrial work, other uses are possible for future robots.
Probably nothing.